Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at a couple of the FX majors today, the euro, dollar and cable. This is after such a progressive greenback has really shifted sentiment and started seeing that possibly at some point we could see parity once again on euro dollar. But since the peak of 112 or just above 111 at the back end of last year in December, we've seen a momentous shift to over 500 pips being wiped off the euro dollar pair. So as you can see here on the 4-hour chart, just doing intraday at the moment, but I just wanted to bring it out a little bit more to see for the first quarter at least that we saw such a momentous dive. But as we peaked roughly just below the 110, we saw now that price action has really started to hit some heavy resistance and move a lot lower. But as you can see here, if we just bring it to the recent trading sessions, as you can see here, a really big move from when the CPI data was released and then the NFP data as well. So we're just seeing now, so the NFP data was a bit before that, but the CPI data and other influential matters such as when the next signal is going to happen it has really started to take its toll on a lot of the competitors of the dollar. So looking at signs and signals on a technical analysis, we're just seeing now that the RSI's hit this double bottom on an oversold area. So we were expecting a little bit more of an upshift on the euro, but at the moment we're in a clean consolidation, especially being hampered by the 20-day SMA as well. It's a simple moving average. So we're just waiting to see now what the next clear-cut move is. Obviously we've got earnings season that could drive the dollar as well after the indices have really started to take a sharp correction. A lot of sell-off there, but we'll look at that another time. Just have a quick look on cable as well. We're just seeing now cable having a slight pickup from the morning after it saw that inflation has crept a little bit lower as well. So very good readings there for core inflation and normal inflation as well, with food and energy prices included. That's ticked lower. So that's a good progressive sign for the Bank of England, and it could be another good judgment call for when they start cutting rates as well. Obviously all eyes on the Fed, but we should see now that possibly a slight pickup in cable after the deterioration, you could say, on the single currency of sterling. So now pretty much like the euro dollar, we're just waiting to see now a bit more of a pickup. We've seen a quite firm support at the moment, very oversold on the RSI as well. So we'll just wait and see what the next direction is, and we'll go from there. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.